is Brooks Pierce. I've been in the oil and gas industry for 25 years. I've gotten my MBA what I call the hard way. I'm a working boy from a small town. I started off right at the bottom, drive around pumping wells, and moved my way up from pumper to field superintendent to completions consultant, working for all different major oil companies. And, when I got into it a few years, I was like, all these facilities are different. Why is everybody doing something different? Every single company does something different, but they're all doing the same thing. So I had an idea. It was just literally to make my job easier. I was working out in the fields and I wanted to kind of standardize what I was doing. I never thought it would get to where it is now. My dream was to have a team of engineers put a map of the oil companies, of the shale plays, and design facilities for these companies for their operating conditions in those areas. Maze Environmental started from me driving out to the field, seeing all of the flare gas waste and smoking flares and the emissions and the amount of energy that is burned and wasted that people don't know actually how much it is. And that just has always driven me to see what else can there be. So what we did with Maze is take equipment that's already getting used, it's very familiar, and we just changed the process. But we didn't change how an operator would go out there and operate something. We changed the pressure, we changed the temperature, we just changed how the pipes flow through the equipment, and when we come out on the other side, we'd reduce our oil tank emissions 100%. The oil is flat. Maze is extremely safe. It actually lowers operating pressure. It takes the emissions from the tanks. It takes the flame off the location. There is no flame. You're not burning your flare. At the end of the day, Maze reduces your CapEx and increases your revenue. It's a simple solution. It's a really simple solution. Clean energy is surging, and clean energy needs to be surging. As my older son would say, we all share the same earth ball. We're all breathing the same air. Maze has created a new product for upstream oil and gas stabilization for the oil and gas industry. It costs less, puts more oil in the tank, and reduces emissions 100%. Your emissions go away in about 8 hours. It's that quick. Maze is definitely a stepping stone towards climate optimism. We're not just an engineering firm. We're not just a manufacturer. We're not just a rental company. We encompass the whole process. You get the experience of our engineering teams. We're going to increase your revenue. We're going to put more oil in your tank, assist you with your environmental compliance, and reduce your emissions to almost nothing. And that's going to put our world on a path towards a clean energy future.